Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So yesterday I worked on hanging up all my squares and levels, just trying to get organized out here. But I got to thinking, the square that I use the most isn't even up there. Let me show you what that is. So here we have the DFM carpenter square. Just a pocket square. It's made out of aluminum, so it's lightweight, but it has a couple features that I find really handy. First is these polygon miter holes. So if you want to cut a 45-degree angle, you drop in the supplied pin and just scribe your line. Now it's big enough that you can measure all the way across a 2x4. The other neat feature is these scribe holes. They're in 16th inch increments all the way up to 3 inches. So say you want to scribe a line at 1 inch, you just drop your pencil in that hole and you can scribe your line. The other thing that I use this for all the time is making sure that my saw blade is square and to set the depth. Yeah, DFM Toolworks. I'm not sponsored by them. I just think this is a really handy tool to have in your kit. So check them out. And thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, and God bless.